Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel stickers. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need printable vinyl, a reliable printer, and cutting tools like scissors or a craft machine. Don't forget to select high-resolution Marvel images for crisp, vibrant results. For extra durability, consider a laminator or a clear sealant. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth and successful sticker-making process from the start. Now, let's design and print. Open your chosen graphic design software and arrange your Marvel images. Aim for a size between 2 and 4 inches for most applications. Once your layout is perfect, load your printable vinyl into your printer. Select a high-quality print setting to capture all the intricate details and vibrant colors of your favorite heroes. This step is crucial for achieving professional-looking stickers. Next, it's time to cut and finish your creations. Carefully cut out each individual sticker. You can use sharp scissors for precision or a craft cutting machine for speed and accuracy. For added protection and a glossy finish, apply a clear laminate sheet over your printed vinyl. Then, trim any excess laminate to perfectly match the edges of your stickers. This step makes them more durable and water-resistant. Finally, apply and enjoy your custom Marvel stickers. Before application, ensure your chosen surface is clean and dry. Slowly peel off the sticker's backing, then press it down firmly, starting from one side and smoothing it across. To prevent any pesky air bubbles, use a credit card or a squeegee to gently push them out. Now, your awesome, handmade Marvel stickers are ready to display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.